hope you are doing well. So let me explain how you can connect these tools through Zapier that we need. It is difficult if you send me these all login access. So let's like this is Zap we are doing to create. First I am going to open this. So this is the bold sign. So when I select, and here I need to sign in. So sir, you can sign in these all in your side. Once you connect it, then in my side, then I will don't need again. And similarly you can go back and create these all zap, like create a new zap, of Zoom, and like Fathom, bold sign, Calendly, etc. So once you connected these all accounts within in Zapier, then you can share with me. Thank you. Any